Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can overlay a transparent logo on top of your videos in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this video for instance here, and I want to overlay a logo. So I'm just going to overlay this logo for instance, and I want it to be a little bit more transparent than this so it's not super visible. I'm just going to go ahead and move it to the left side as well here. Go to blend mode and you can select any of these that you want. Screen removes the black color and darken removes the white. I'm just going to go with the soft light one, and here I'm just going to adjust the opacity so I still can see both of the colors, but I'm just going to turn down the opacity to blend it in more with the video so it's not super visible, but it will still be there. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!